What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. And in this video we're going to be covering some prerequisites that you need to know, that these are must knows before participating in any of the Bluezilla Launchpads, guys. And I thank all of you guys in the comments for your constructive criticism. I have mentioned some of these points, but it's not very clear across all of my videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this video along with an example of a live IDO in all of my Bluezilla Launchpads moving forward, so you guys are aware and you know what's going on. And again, thank you guys for the criticism, and thank you guys so much for the love and support of the channel. I'm growing rapidly, which is great. I want to get this content out to as many people as possible in order to help you guys make better decisions, because I wish someone would have done that for me when I was first starting out, guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's my list of all the prereqs that you should be aware of. And again, I mentioned these in the videos, but it's not clear and concise, so I want to make this dedicated video just for this. So you must stake Bluezilla Launchpad tokens in order to participate. So there is an opportunity cost. You cannot just go onto the platform and start allocating money into these IDOs. You have to pay to earn your spot in these IDO allocations. So for example, let's go and take a look at ETHPAD, which I have pulled up right here. So guys, there are lottery tiers, there are guaranteed tiers, right? So let's just take the example of a guaranteed tier. So if you wanted to participate in a IDO launching on ETHPAD, you need to stake at least 120,000 ETHPAD tokens in order to be guaranteed allocation, right? So let's take a look. What would that cost you at today's prices? 120,000 tokens are about $17,000. So this would be your opportunity cost in order to sort of buy your right into being able to allocate for an IDO, guys. So keep that in mind as you go and look at investing into some of these projects. Next up, guys, you have to pass KYC. Some of the viewers have made it clear in the comments that they were disappointed to learn that the US is in fact not eligible. That is a fact. The US, along with another set of countries, are not eligible in order to participate. Part of this is regulatory issues, right, with taxation and things of that nature. So guys, make sure that your country is eligible. If you are not in an eligible country, if you have family that lives in a country that is eligible, you can work with them. It's not illegal, guys. You would need to send them the money to invest or create a wallet for them, guys, but you can make something work. A lot of people are doing that. So if you trust them and you think that they are not going to rip you off or take your money and run away, guys, go ahead and work with them. I myself, I am a German citizen. I live both in Germany and the United States. I pay taxes in both countries, so I am able to do this without an issue. All right, next up, guys, understand that Bluezilla Launchpad tokens have a currency or a set currency for allocations. For example, ETHPAD uses ETH, BSCPAD uses Binance USD. AdaPad also uses BUSD. VelasPad, guys, and this is one that I'm pending on confirmation, because on their application it actually doesn't show us, but based on the fact that I have to connect to that app on the VelasPad using the Velas chain on the MetaMask setting, tells me that I'm more than likely going to use either VLX or some kind of Velas based stablecoin, guys. But be aware that there are different currencies on the different launchpads that you need to have on different chains in order to participate in these Bluezilla launchpads, guys. In addition, another thing that you guys were asking me about in the comments is how does it actually look? What, you're showing us how to purchase, you're showing us how to make the better decision in terms of which launchpad to get into, but you're not showing us what it actually looks like to actually participate in an IDO. I do have a video where I show a live recording of AstroSwap where I participate in the IDO, and I'm going to link that in the description here. And I'm again going to link this video with all the prerequisites as well as the video of the live demo in every single Bluezilla Launchpad video going forward. So guys, you are not confused, or it's very clear to you of what is required. So guys, I wanted to make sure I hit you with this video and make sure that you are fully up to speed on this. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your support, guys. I will be making more videos today. I will see you in the next video. That's it for me. I'm out. Like and subscribe. Peace.